Hi, my dumplings. This video it's a little different, okay? We are outside today. We are in the sun. Honey, look at my melanin. Glistening, shining, okay? But let's get into this video. I just want to tell you guys how important it is. Muy importante, okay? Stop playing. Okay. I just want to tell you guys how important it is to be outside, get you some sunlight, to be present in the moment. And what I mean to be present in the moment is sometimes we get too much into our heads. Sometimes we think too much about the future. It causes you to have anxiety, you be stressing out, worry. Sometimes we think too far into the past, and now you're stressed out and worried about things that has already happened that you can't even change because it is what it is, and you're not focused on now. You're not focused on the present, being here. And what I mean by being here is I can feel my feet on my mat. I hear all these bugs outside, and I'm just taking in everything that's happening in the now. I'm taking in how hot this sun is on my face. I'm taking in the fact that I can hear birds. I'm taking the fact that I can feel my weight on this deck. Like, just everything, just be present. Use all of your senses and just be here. Be now. Not so much anymore because I have practiced this enough to where I am able to be in the present without really thinking about it too much. So I would affirm I am here, I am in the now, I am present, or something around that. I am present, I am here, I am in the now. And saying that affirmation will really help you be in the present more. Other things that you can do is when you feel like you're too much in your head, your thoughts are racing, it's difficult for you to be in the present, you can point out things that you see. Like, let me see, I see a squirrel right over there. I see a spider web right there. I see the sun up there. I see this blue house right here. What do I hear right now? I hear bugs. I can hear birds. I can hear people driving by. So using your senses and being aware and seeing and hearing and touching and of here will hopefully help you be in the moment more. And look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Appreciate the now. I didn't even see that. Is that the moon? That's wild. The moon wanted to, can we see that? We can see that. Y'all see the moon back there? I guess he wanted to be in my video today. Special guest, the moon. Special guest. Zariana featuring the moon. Okay. Honey, today, after you watch this video, or even right now, while you're watching this video, go outside, sit down, take in everything that's around you. Be thankful for the present moment. Be thankful that the sun comes out every single day. Without the sun, life would just, we wouldn't even be able to have life. So be thankful that the sun comes out for you. Be thankful for the trees. Be thankful that we are able to breathe because of the trees. Be thankful for, you know, the bees, the squirrels, the bugs, because they're part of the ecosystem. They help balance this world that we live in. Just be thankful, express your gratitude, and be here. I am here. I am in the now. I am present. Say that affirmation to yourself. It is going to help you because it has helped me in the past, and now I'm at a point to where I can just like take in everything around me, and I don't really have to, it just comes. It's just so easy now, and I'm very, get out of here, and I'm very thankful for that. So today's gonna be a good day. I feel it. See, you just go outside and you just feel good. You feel good about the day. You feel good about yourself. You feel good about nature. You just feel so amazing. And the power of the sun, honey, let's talk about energy. The sun radiates so much energy. It's very powerful. So you need that. Your body needs that. I mean, I don't really know the science behind it, but just know that your body needs it. And especially if you're a person, if you're a melanated person, a person of color, you for sure need to go outside and get you some sun. The way that I think about it, you know how Superman, he flies up to the sky and he like recharges up his powers, and he's able to like take in the energy of the sun or whatever. That's how we are as melanated people. You need to come outside and recharge your melanin. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling empty, if your gas is on E, come outside and put your tank on full by the sun. Let it fuel you up for your day. Oh my gosh, I probably sound so dramatic, but seriously, go outside, get you some sun, be in the present moment, affirm I am here, I am now, I am in the present. Listen to everything around you, feel the things around you, smell the air, and just be thankful. Express your gratitude for the day. But yes, that is the end of this video. That is the message that I really feel. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Oh no. Ah, ah. Oh yeah. How are we gonna be one with nature if we scared of it? I don't know. That's a fear that I'm getting over, bugs. But back to what I was saying. Hold on, let me get the moon. Okay, yeah, the moon back there too. Back to what I was saying. That is the message for today. I felt the need. I felt moved to come up here and give somebody this message, give you this message, because this is the message that you needed to hear for sure, for sure. So thank you for watching. Man, I am glistening, shining, 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 yeah. Okay, stop playing. In this video. Oh, oh, this is back. Oh no. Oh gosh. Ah! Help. Okay, we're gonna end this video before this bee come back. Thank you guys for being here. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Coco Dumpling, and follow me on all of my other social media so you can always stay up to date with this real thing right here. And always remember to walk in your purpose, stand in your truth, and keep those vibes high, and go outside and get you some sun, and be thankful, and be present in the moment, in the here, in the now. So yes, bye guys, and bye to the moon. Thank you, moon, for being a part of this video. So all right.